Niguo kwambatiria ikiro cia Kiharo giki gia Kenyatta, atongoria a kiama kia mubira hamwe na ataramu aria mathondeka iharo cia guthakirwo kuma mabũrũri ma nanja mauma kiharo-ini kiu niguo kurora miakire yakio. Mũrũgamĩrĩri munene wa kiama kia FKF Nick Mwendwa augite iharo cia guku Kenya itikinyanĩire ikiro iria ciagĩrĩire cia kuhuthirwo ni athaki.
We have a major problem in Kenya when it comes to playing surface. I think you saw the debacle of Kenya, Sierra Leone with playing surface. Playing surface determines the results of matches.
Iharo cia Kipchoge, Kinuru, Kasarani na Nyayo nigukorwo igithondekwo niguo gucieheriri mweru.
And we are going to remove all the grass pitches, all the grass surfaces in the first area. We will redo the drainage and we will replace the grass from scratch.
Ciringi bilioni 4 nicio ibangirwo kuhuthirwo guthondeka iharo icio hamwe na indo ingi gwa kahinda ka mieri 4.
We are raising the efforts today in this inspection and saying these are the particular things that have not happened, they must happen now. By July 1st, every contractor must be running.
Iharo icio igukorwo igithondekwo kuhitukira unyitanĩri wa thirikari hamwe na ministry ya mathako. Ngiribotera Inoro TV gĩtagwo Wangari wa Njoroge.